Hey everybody, today we're in a freshman dorm and this is how your room is gonna look like when you're in your first year. Let's go. Hi Francis.
Hello.
Are you ready for the dorm tour?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, guys, so my name is Francis Chen and I'm a freshman student at Soka. As a freshman, you have to share your room with your roommate. Here is my roommate, Jacob.
So welcome, this is the freshman dorm. My name is Jacob, and as you've already met, this is Francis. I would say my favorite corner has to be where my computer is, because that's just where I have all my music. That's where I play on my computer. That's where I got the fridge.
And my favorite spot in this room is also where my computer is. It's right there. So you can see on the top, I have all the vinyls, CDs, and books. Those are my favorite collection from my favorite band. My cameras is also there. It's a spot for me to work and chill and play games.
This is my bathroom. As you can see, we got it really clean, because that's just who we are. That's just who we are. We keep it, there's usually a little bit more stuff on here, but I just got my stuff, which is just everyday appliances. And then we got just a nice clean bathroom. And then also we have our shower. I would say my first favorite memory in my room would have to be when he gave me a hot pot. It was probably a couple weeks in. It was so delicious. It's gotta be one of my favorite.
I think that had to be the first day I came to Soka. I only have 2 suitcases and I don't have blanket, pillow, or everything, but my very nice roommate, he just offered me like everything I need and made that so nice and so comfortable, and I really appreciate that.